All right, we're back with a new Money Origami original. We got the trophy, Diamond Gem Trophy. And it's pretty cool. You can make the upright square, and then you can have the diamond this way, or you can twist the upright and make the diamond sit a different way. They're both pretty cool. You can do the top of the base like this, or sunk down in. I'm not sure which one we'll do. We're at least going to make the upright in this video. Now, if you just want to watch and see how to fold, well, we make sure you know how to fold it on this channel. Or I try to anyway. All right, so you're going to need a dollar bill for the upright